Hello, what is the safest way to hold trades through earning season? Well, there is not a safest way to do that. When it comes to long option launching trading strategy, you are going to hold the stocks for a relatively long period of time, few months. So earning season could fluctuate the chart in a short period of time, but because you are going to hold the stocks for months, that short period of fluctuation or short period fluctuation is going to stabilize as time progresses. So therefore the chart is going to continue its course, and the chart is a set of ups and downs. It's not a straight one growth. All the bar going up is ups and downs. So therefore, it is expected for the stocks price to go down and for the stocks price to go up. Even in one day, the fluctuation can be in dollars depending on the price of one share. And if the price is low, the fluctuation will be in cents. If the price is high, it could be in dollars. So those fluctuations, we are looking at a daily chart here, and we can take an example of NI as of July 26, 2026. So the fluctuation is going to you are going to expect the chart to fluctuate for one reason or the other. It could be economic crisis, it could be a news, it could be something going on in the company, it could be outside factor or inside the company's factors. Multiple things is going to affect, or even the faith of investors in the in this, or the big investors trying to rebalance their account, their client's account, dropping shares or buying shares. Those are going to affect the chart, the price. Therefore, the chart movement is going to go up and down, sometimes well down, sometimes well up. But within the time you are going to hold it, is going to go up from point A where you purchase it to point B where you sold it. So therefore, whether there is earning season or dividend payment or things like that, those fluctuations are going to be for a short period of time. Even if it's happening around where you are going to buy it does not really matter, because from where you purchase it and where you are going to sell it, you're locking a good amount of profit. Again, it could depend on the stocks you are trying to swing trade as well. And I'm just talking based on the strategy that I use, which is long option on swing trading strategy. So when we are looking at NI here, assuming you purchase it around this support line that we trace to be the value line, the lowest is going to go that we are comfortable buying it at, which is based on this daily chart, is 2024 5 and 6. So we have the date on the x-axis from the past to the present, and the price on the y-axis from $0 up. So assuming you purchase it around 74, let's 75 in 2024 February or so, and you can see that it reached all-time highest price too recently, and let's say even here is an previous all-time highest price before this one. So let's just say around this area you sold it, which is what, $48. So this is 25 26 and 48. So or let's say it's going down, from there it's going down, and you say, you know what, I'm going to sell because I don't know if it's going to go up again. And let's work with 46. So 46 minus what? 26. You have $20 profit per share for holding it for a little over 2 years. So within that 2 years time frame, there is multiple fluctuations here. But again, it didn't stop this stock from going up from where you purchased it to where you sold it. So pretty much almost you double your money within those 2 years. If you take this 20 divided by 26 that you pay for it times 100 is 77% almost. So therefore, even though there is so many earnings a season through that period, it still continue its course, moving up and down along the way. So that, because of that, the type of strategy that I use, long up to long swing trading strategy, and the type of stocks that I'm swing trading using that, which is growth stocks, I'm okay, and I don't worry. I don't even pay attention to the earnings season, and I don't even know the earnings season for those stocks because of this, the relatively long period that I can hold on to before I sell it. But in 2024, when I was using short up to now swing trading strategy, buying and selling every few days, I took that into consideration, knowing when it's going to pay dividend, and wonder if I want to buy before or wait for that to happen before I buy in case it goes down more and things like that, or sell it before that in case it goes down, or it might go up. So either way, it's going to go north or south. It's going to go up or down. So, and knowing that, depending on the strategy you are using, you can choose if it matters to take those into considerations. You might decide one thing. If you have it in your portfolio, sell it before the earnings season and just stick with it. Sometimes you might sell it, the price will go up. You lost that profit increase, but that is okay. And sometimes you might sell it, the earnings season will drop the price, and you are lucky there because you're lucky in a higher profit. And stick to one will allow you to encounter both, but trying to switch it around, you might have one or the other more of the time, or you can choose to sell it after the earnings season. Sometimes it'll go up, sometimes it'll go down, but you know that you'll have either one or the other. So you can choose one and stick with it and know that you will have one or the other, with those stocks. You might even encounter both scenarios with one stocks, not just different stocks. It's not every time during earnings season the price will go down. Sometimes it'll go down, sometimes it'll go up, depending on the quarters and how the company perform, I think. So, but I completely ignore it. With long up to long swing trading strategy is I like to say a short investment, but for tax purposes, it will consider a long-term investment when it's more than 1 year and a day. But for comparing it to buy and hold, I like to call my swing trading strategy a short investment, because I'm not buying it to hold on to it, but I'm buying it to sell it. But when I'm going to sell it, depend on the stock itself, how the chart pattern is from the past to the present. So when it comes to NI, it's not in my buying zone. I have not purchased it yet. It's close to all-time highest price. I would like to pay the price along this support line. So therefore, I will wait for that to come down before I buy. That is pretty much my thought process when it comes to earning season. I completely ignore it and I don't even pay attention to it. I don't even know earning season for the long list of stocks that I swing trade. What about you? What is the safest way that you hold trades through earning season? Thank you so much for your time. We thank you very much for watching our videos. Thank you for all your comments, and we thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi, and on our channel we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence. And swing trading will allow you to create another stream of income. Just start small, and slowly but surely you will get there. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional trader. I just swing trade in my husband and I joint brokerage account, pursuing our financial independence goal, trying to create another stream of income that can pay for our living expenses while our paycheck is fully invested to swing trade with and pull the profit to live on is the goal I'm after. And I'm just sharing my learning experience, my skills, what is working, what is not working, while I'm working toward that goal with you. So that if you find some tips useful, you can customize them to your liking, to fit your personality type, your risk tolerance, and use them in your own financial success journey. But will you please proceed with caution? As a disclaimer, no, now the disclaimer is done. So for more videos in this series, will you please check the playlist How to Start Swing Trading Step by Step Using Long Uptrend Loans in the description of this video. And we have pretty much, this is 192 videos in this series, trying to cover all the questions that a friend might ask me, trying to understand how I'm swing trading, trying to cover those in this series this year during my daily videos. So for more, and this video is supported by our online store Liberman.com. If you are looking for pouches, cloth napkins, or tote bag, will you please check our online store Liberman.com. Thank you so much for your time. Happy swing trading.